Hi everyone! It's been a while since I uploaded a video regarding my 500-gallon aquarium, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on. I originally built this tank back in 2018, and it has been holding strong ever since, without any leaks or major problems. But since the tank is already drained and empty, I decided this would be the perfect time to reinforce the entire inside with fiberglass cloth and resin to make it even stronger and more durable for the long term. In this video, I'm going to be sanding down the entire interior, preparing the surface, and starting the process of rebuilding and reinforcing the tank from the inside out. It's going to be a lot of work, but the goal is to make this aquarium strong enough to last many more years into the future. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so now the real work starts. I already drained the entire tank and moved everything out, and now I'm inside the aquarium sanding down all the interior walls so the fiberglass cloth can bond properly later on. This part takes a lot of time because you can't just throw fiberglass over a smooth surface and expect it to hold long term. Everything has to be roughened up correctly so the resin can bite into the wood and old coating. As you can see, there's dust everywhere, and I'm using the sander to go section by section across the entire tank. Honestly, this is probably the most tiring stage of the whole project, but it's also one of the most important because the preparation determines how strong the final result will be. The good thing is, this tank already proved itself over the years without leaking once. So now I'm basically taking something that already worked great and reinforcing it even further to make it more permanent and stronger for the future. Once all the sanding is done, the fiberglass cloth and resin are going to create a solid inner shell inside the aquarium, almost like lining the inside of a boat hull. It's a lot of work, but in the end, it'll be worth it, knowing this 500-gallon tank is built to last for many more years.
Bare feet in the sand, salt on your skin. You smile like a spark, and now falling again. Palm leaves sway low as the day goes slow. Your name on my tongue, like sugar and glow. Hold me close, don't rush, let the tide come through. One sweet beat at a time, I'm drifting to you. Mango moon, mango.
Well, I don't want to bore you guys with all this sanding, so let's go check out my koi fish in the garage. Right now, I have all of them staying in this emergency recovery tank while I work on rebuilding the main 500-gallon aquarium. It's only temporary, but honestly, they've been doing pretty good in here. Once the big tank is completely reinforced and finished, they'll all be going back into their original home. But for now, this setup is keeping everybody safe and stable while I take my time rebuilding the main system the right way. One thing about my koi fish is I don't really feed pellet food anymore. I mostly feed them dry black soldier fly larvae now. They absolutely go crazy for this stuff. The moment they see me open the container, they already know feeding time is coming. It's more natural for them, and black soldier fly larva actually has a lot of protein in it, so it's really good for growth and overall health. Honestly, once I switched over, they seemed way more active and excited during feeding time. They just love the real stuff, you know what I mean. Even though this is just a temporary tank, I still try to keep the water clean and make sure the koi are comfortable while the main aquarium is being rebuilt. Seeing them swim around healthy honestly motivates me even more to finish this project and make the 500-gallon tank stronger than ever before. So let's feed these guys and check them out for a little bit before we get back to work on the rebuild.